Hello, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. So, Casper Nyovest has sparked a heated debate online after brushing off a cheeky Limpopo boy meme with a self assured quip that left Mzansi divided. The rapper's response has gone viral, with thousands of South Africans questioning whether his confidence is well placed. The moment unfolded in the comment section of Casper Nyovest's TikTok post promoting his new track called Lil Mama, a collaboration with Nasty C. A user dropped a meme referring the now infamous leaked video involving Matsidi Show, Matilda, and Limpopo Boy. The caption, Lil Mama to Swiggy, Lil Too Much. Now, the implication was clear, and Casper Nyovest, whose real name is Refilwe Mtimunye Polo, was not rattled, so he shot back. He said, I'm Casper Nyovest, dog. It's a different ball game here. LOL. Um, Now, ex-user by the name of Revo Gangster shared the exchange on Tuesday alongside the caption, Casper thinks his wife will never cheat on him. We will be here. Well, the post quickly attracted thousands of responses, with many South Africans poking fun at the rapper's declaration, while others offered more serious takes on his infidelity and trust in marriage. Guys, some below are some below sorry are some of the reactions from Mzansi. He will be shocked when he realizes that she is doing it with a Polo Vivo driver. And then Red Forever responded and argued and said, it all depends on the type of women men are marrying these days. You can't turn any woman into a housewife. Don't be looking for love in a club. It does not work. She belongs to the street. The streets. If you play stupid games, you will win stupid prizes. Someone also said Basadi, especially married ones, cheat a lot. Some are lucky they never get caught. No man is safe from being cheated on. I'm disappointed in him. He clearly doesn't know women. These people don't care about your status in society. Guys, the Limpopo Boy saga has dominated South African social media for weeks, days, making it a go-to reference whenever conversations about infidelity arises. Casper's breezy response has only added more fuel to the fire, with fans split between admiring his confidence and warning him not to speak too soon. Guys, so what do you think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video and do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out. Whenever I try to upload a new video, we'll definitely and surely be seeing you in the next one. Thank you so much for clicking and deciding on watching this one.